Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Oma's Taste. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. Today in the menu is donuts. This is the first time I'm actually preparing donuts in this house. I don't really like donuts, but kids do like it. Of course, there's no kids that don't like donuts. So today I decided to dive into the kitchen and prepare donuts for my kids. And this is it. The outcome was so nice. I can't deny that it came out so nice. I really liked it. So after sprinkling some icing sugar on it, this is how it is to show that it was well made. It will just be tearing apart like this. Well, this is the first time and it's not going to be the last. Let's dive into the kitchen. Let me show you how I prepared it. I'm adding 120 ml of milk to the bowl. I am adding 30 grams of sugar. You can add more or less depending on how you like sugar. Add little salt to that, and I will go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking powder. Is enough for this 300 grams of flour that we are going to use. I'm breaking one egg in there. Next thing to do is to whisk it very well to be combined. After that, I will go ahead and add the 300 grams of all-purpose flour. At this point, you'll be using your hands to continue mixing this. You are going to massage it for a long time. I added 30 grams of room temperature butter in the dough. I'm going to be, massaging, giving thorough massage. It's no longer time to leave it in the bowl. Putting out and you are working face, which is the table you are using. Everything should be clean, of course. If not, you will miss all the dirt there. And as you are going on, it will be sticking on your hands. Of course, it have to be like this. That is to show that you are really doing donut. You are on the path because you want a soft, workable dough, just like that of a bread. For you to do this, please don't think that your hands are going to be clean. If you're working this out with machine or a mixer, it will be very, very easy and very well done. But don't worry, use flour to be adding to your hands if it is coming too much. And this is what you want to get at the end of the day. Yes, it just have to be like this. Remember, little flour in your palm. Don't put too much. If you put too much, this donut will not be coming out the way it was coming out in the intro where I was tearing it apart so easily. So continue playing with it on your work surface there until you have done this for at least 5 minutes and all the room temperature butter have already gathered or mixed in very well with the dough. In this time, or in this case, you have a very beautiful dough for donuts. I used it there. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch Oma's Taste. So now I added a tablespoon of oil in the bowl and mix it together. I'm going to roll it a little, and next is to use my thin nylon to cover this. I'm going to let it to rest for 1 hour 20 minutes. You can even leave it until 2 hours. There's no problem. And after 1 hour, this is how our dough supposed to be looking. It's not going to be double in size much, but at least you have to double. Yeah, like this. I'm just going to give it a punch. This is my favorite part. Now I'm going to be bringing them out in a mold form like this. Yeah, this is exactly the size that you will be able to fry in the oil. A size that look like donuts. Yes, this size. Just make sure it's inside your palm, that you can cover it with your palm, and that is it. Roll it and make them a ball form. Keep all of them aside because you'll be picking them one by one and then be cutting the middle part of it for your donut. All right, just like that. Once you get this shape that look like donut form, just take in any cutter you are using. It should be a cutter that will not be too big. I'm using this small rubber. You can use the cover of milk container or bottle coke, anything at all that you know that will give you not more than this hole is okay. So I'll just go ahead and be cutting it. I have already cut the oven pepper sheet that I'll be using to put it on top. We are doing this because you don't want your dough to gum to the surface of the table. You know, it's very soft dough, so put it on top of pepper and it will be easy when you want to fry it. So I'll go ahead and do this until all these dough are completed, and after that I will cover it, allow it to rest for 15 to 30 minutes. I left it for 30 minutes. The oil is already hot. I am checking the temperature and it's very okay for the frying. All right, you are going to be frying this in a low heat. Yeah, not medium heat, low heat. Once the oil is hot, please leave it in low heat or medium heat, which is also good, but be careful because this can easily get burnt or change color. You don't want that. At first I drop it in with the pepper, which is not bad. It's something you are trying for the first time, you have to be very sure. And the second one I will be showing you, I will be taking it off from the pepper and be dropping it in the oil. So be careful when you are frying this donut. It can easily drink oil or it can easily change to that color you don't want it to have. So I'll be stirring it around. Use something that will allow you to do the stirring or turning around very well, which is this stick, something like this. So I'll allow them to fry until they have this beautiful color you are seeing now, and it's well cooked. After that, you don't have any choice to leave it there in the oil. Just going to take them out from the oil with the same stick. The donut came out very well. So once the second one is out, set it in the rank. Please don't leave it in a tissue or kitchen pepper because it's going to shrimp. You don't want that. You want your donut to be looking so good. I added the powder, the sugar, but the kids don't like it. They want the stone one, which is the regular sugar. I'll go ahead and add it later, but that was when they were eating it. And that is it. It's out and it's looking so good. You just have to be, tearing it apart, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.